name is Dr. Magnus Cranium, and today we are back with some more Destiny, and today I'm doing a review on a gun, and I just got this yesterday. Some of you might know it's the Stranger's Rifle. Now I will be trying to do more reviews, probably. If you like this video, please comment. If you like me doing reviews, comment, like if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I also got this Matador 64 yesterday. I don't know. Please tell me if it has a good roll. I'm not sure, but I think it's a pretty good roll with rangefinder. Because the range is So yeah, we are going to go in a game of Supremacy, and I'll see how this works because I haven't used the Stranger's Rifle yet. So yeah, let's get in it. So I was if you didn't see in my last video, I'll try to put that in at the end, and I'll put my profile at the end. So if you comment on what you like and what games you like me to play, or what games you don't like me to play, comment. I'll give you a shout out. And yeah, if you have a channel, I'll put it in the end of the video of my description. I'll try my best. If not, don't get mad, please. So yeah. This is a little different because I am doing this just by myself. I will probably do another video. By the time you're watching this, it may getting started to get uploaded. With the video might be on Destiny. I think it's gonna be another review on maybe, I don't know. I'll think of it, and then I'm gonna do that one with my friends, or my friend, or whichever. So not to bore you, let's maybe look at the people. So we have Kvasov. Okay. Alright. And I'm also probably will start getting into streams on YouTube. Maybe I'll make a video about it or mention it in another video, because I am getting a PS4 today, which is exciting. Oh my god. What? Wait, whoa. You can't use that anymore, I thought. Oh, I probably kept on. Oh, well. There's a glitch, look. It's the broom, but it's a different sparrow. Look at this. What? Oh, he's so close to 400. What does he have that's not 400? I'm guessing this. No? Helmet? Oh, no. It's just... Wow, he is so close. Oh my gosh. He's Iron Man. Oh, even he has the Iron Banner ship. It's so cool. Are we going? Oh my god, we're so close. So yeah. This, I guess, this has full auto. I forgot about that. It is a one. I don't think you can infuse it. Oh, what is this? So increases the attack value of this weapon to the highest available in year 1. That's like 160, right? Yeah, that's only 160. Well, I guess that's an improvement. And then you also have this and this. Missing a shot. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good perk. I think the stranger's rifle always comes with the same perk for everyone. And I'm also using the Stormcaller. I think I'm going, yeah. Okay. Let's do the stuff and stuff. Yeah. What else? Oh gosh. At least this isn't, well, it kind of is. Close quarters, some of it is, but at least most of it isn't, I guess. Because you don't, like the tunnels are, but, oh, do you see that guy with the, like, the Viking hat? I want that, Dead Orbit auto rifle. It's so good. I got it on my friend's account. Wait, yeah. Oh my gosh. I've only seen this in videos. Wow. I've never handled it before. Now, what I've seen and what I've heard, I think it is a one-shot headshot, one burst headshot. Oh my god, that melts. Holy. Oh no. Going to my Matador. Bum, bum. Boom. Whoa. Okay, good. Got it. Well, I have a shotgun too. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I see him. I saw him. Shh. Be very quiet. Oh, I should have got the shotgun. Okay. Ow. What was that? No. He has the same auto rifle. I think I got this from a rare. I think, yeah. I think those are Crucible colors, I'm pretty sure. Hello? Oh. Oh no. No. Boom. Oh, whoops. Boom. Oh my god, that did so much damage. Actually, I was just kidding, but steal that real quick. Oh, gosh dang it. This is intense. Alright. I want to get a one-shot headshot. If it's a one... Oh, no. No. Dang it. Let's go, Gitana. Oh! That was a long bomb. Can I get some special, please, for my friend Matador? Oh, he's so weak. Oh, no. No skip grenades. Wait, I assisted? Nope. I'm not doing this. No. Gotta get special. Okay. Reload. It's good. Okay. Is everybody still over here? Oh, I'll help you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, no. Oh. I'm so bad. Oh my gosh. Those skip grenades will get ya. I hate skip grenades so much. I didn't even know I jumped because my controller battery. Oh! Wow. Stupid hammers. I didn't even. I was telling you how my controller batteries were low until I was interrupted by hammers over there. So my controller batteries are so low that I didn't know that I jumped because my controller doesn't vibrate anymore. Oh, what? That isn't one shot headshot, I don't think. Cause I think I just got even when he was weak, I got all headshots and didn't kill him. Oh my gosh. Thank you. You're my Lord and Savior. Go, 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 go. Okay, there's a guy coming over here. I got you. Woo! Oh, wait. Oh no, I should have saved it for heavy. I'm gonna wait. Come on. Okay, never mind. I'm not waiting anymore. Oh, just when I said I'm not waiting anymore, they come. Really? Do you think they can hear me or something? Oh. Wait, there's someone over here. Oh, I think those are hammers. No! Dang it. Thought I could take him out. And I am second. So yeah. Golden gun! Oh, okay. Gosh dang it. Why do I run into all the fire supers? They're just like, oh, here. There's a guitar master. Let's pop a super on him. Oh, that did a lot. Was that just me, or did that do a lot? Actually, a lot. Oh, I was just about to look back. Oh my god, this is so much action. Do. Boop, 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 boop. Oh! I got this guy. Oh! Yes! Matador, you're the best. Oh! There's someone right there. Somewhere over the... Boom! Okay. Well, that means I'm officially very bad at this game. I don't think I was ever good at this game, actually. Boom! Let's go. That's what you get. That's what you get for shooting at me. Oh. Go like this. Boom! Boom! Oh, I got him, though. But I didn't, I don't think that really benefited me. I need English lessons. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh. Oh! That was almost a... I didn't even know this was supremacy. I thought it was, bring around the Rosie. No? Okay. Alright. Let's go use my super on some peoples. Because I like... Oh, I'm gonna die! Yeah. Awesome. Did it. How am I still second? Come on, team. You gotta pull ahead of me. I'm so bad at this game. Oh, is he weak? I don't... No! That's golden gun. That's golden gun. Boom! Yes! Do you see how weak he was? I could have took him out with my, yeah, that's right. Just got outplayed. Oh, or you can do it. Run. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh, so many crests. I want them. You forgot one, buddy. I'll clean it up. A fistful of crests. Yes. Come over here. No, I didn't mean you. I meant the other guy, not you. You were not invited to the party. Mr. Whoever just killed me. Honus Sink. Whatever. He was not invited. Only the people that are weak and I can kill in one shot with the shotgun are invited. See, like that. No, he wasn't weak, but still. Oh, I thought we won. Yeah. Let's see what we get. Because I bet you it's going to be very awesome. Yes. 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 Denied. Wow, that's the best loot I've ever gotten. Oh, wow. Well, this will probably end the video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, or if you like the video, please comment and tell me suggestions or what other games you want me to do. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and thank you for watching. This is Dr. Magnus Cranium signing off.